Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change cell border color in Google Sheets. This is a simple yet effective way to make your spreadsheets more visually organized and easier to read, especially when you're working with lots of data. First, you'll want to navigate to workspace.google.com in your web browser. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in to your Google account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to edit. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Workspace dashboard. This is where all your Google Workspace apps and files are accessible. From here, take a moment to locate the specific spreadsheet where you want to change the cell border color. Once you've found it, simply click on it to open the file. Now that your spreadsheet is open, it's time to select the cells you want to work with. Click and drag your cursor over the data that currently has borders. This will highlight all the cells in that range, making them ready for editing. You'll notice that when cells are highlighted, they appear with a blue overlay, indicating they're selected and ready for any formatting changes you want to make. With your cells highlighted, look up to the toolbar at the top of your screen. You'll see various formatting icons there. Find and click on the border icon, which typically looks like a grid or square with lines. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with different border options. In this menu, you need to click on the pencil icon. This pencil icon represents the border color tool and is your gateway to customizing the color of your cell borders. After clicking the pencil icon, a color palette will appear on your screen. This palette displays a wide range of color options you can choose from. Browse through the available colors and simply click on the one you want to apply to your cell borders. You can select from standard colors, or if you're looking for something specific, you might even find options for custom colors depending on your version of Google Sheets. And that's it. Your cell borders will immediately update to reflect the new color you've chosen, giving your spreadsheet a fresh, customized look that can help differentiate sections or simply make your data more visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.